guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. We're going to run the M700. I changed the setup to a little lower kV. This is a 3674 2200 kV motor and we're going to run it on 4S. Just have some fun. Let's see how this setup works. We're going to run with the GPS. It's at 4 kilometers an hour, so we should be able to break that. Let's tape it up and go. Alright. There we go. Great. Running nice now. Controllable. So I did the maiden run with a 3665 motor with 3190 kV, but it was a too hot setup. I desoldered the wires, the motor wires. So that's why I changed to a 2200 kV motor. Of course it's less fast, but I wanted to have a good baseline. So I wanted to find the proper setup, tune the boat in before going faster, and this seems nice. So I'm running with trim tabs now, small trim tabs. No turn fins. And it's running very stable. Water cooling works nicely. Nice. So we're running with a 40mm prop, 1.4 pitch. And I also brought a 40mm 1.6 pitch prop. So the second lipo we're going to run the 1.6 pitch prop. But yes, I really love it. It runs great. Making rainbows. So I guess the speed is about 70 kilometers an hour. Oh. And it's handling the light chop perfectly. Alright, one more round and I bring it in. Alright, nice. Let's open it up. Check the temps. I brought my temp gun. And of course the speed. Yeah, I like it. Nice. Okay. Looking good. Oh, nice. It's not hot at all. 75. Great. It's a little faster than I expected even. Let's check some temps. So the motor is only 27, 25 degrees. The LiPo is 45 degrees. That's perfect. Nice. Alright, we're going to switch the prop to a 40mm 1.6 pitch. Then we're going to make the second run. We're going to put the GPS in it again. Running a 640 prop. Let's see what kind of speed we can get. Against the wind. Awesome. Running nice and loose. Man, it runs great. Whoa. This prop shows a little cavitation, so it takes a while before it grips, but it's running nice. Nice big corner. Very predictable handling. Alright, let's quit it before I drain the LiPo. I hope for 80 kilometers an hour, which is 50 plus miles an hour. Or 50 miles an hour, I should say. No smoke, that's a good sign. And the speed, 74, wow! That's surprising. That's even slower than with the 1.4 pitch prop, which I didn't expect at all. Okay, it is what it is. Doesn't feel hot. 27 degrees for the motor. Battery 45 degrees. Great. These are perfect temps. Alright guys, bonus round. Put the GPS on 0. Put it in the hull. And we're going to make a quick pass on 6S 2200 kV. It's a crazy high setup. High RPM, I should say. So let's be careful. but I want to try. This is just a small 6S LiPo, 3000 milliamp hour, and I already ran it in my Psycho kit, so it's kind of drained, but let's make a quick rip. I put back the 1.4 pitch prop because the 1.6 pitch is just too much. So let's tape it up and try. There we go. I'm not sure if it's smart, but here goes nothing. We're going with the wind. There we go. Nice. Let's make another sprint, then we bring it back to the shore. It was leaning a little bit to the left, I think. All right. That looks quite fast. I would say 95 kilometers an hour. Wild guess. Okay. Motor still cold. Oh, great. 95. That's exactly what I guessed. Nice. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!